short video today. I'm not doing too much today. Just kind of give y'all a kind of plan on what I plan to do when I do get started. Like I said, the a little different around the trunk on the Oldsmobile, so I kept these pieces here. I kept that and I'll weld that back in. For the guys wondering why I did it like this car needed full quarters anyway, as you can see. So it wasn't no use of trying to cut around it. So I mean, the best thing to do probably was to get everything out of the way, cleaned up out of the way for me, so I can get this in right. Now the wheel tubs are different on this car versus the Impala. So what I am going to do, when I get this stuff done and welded in, then I will cut these wheel tubs off and I will put the old ones in. Now these look like they're a little bit bigger, but I'll make that work when the time comes. But yeah, so this is a trunk lid I got off Facebook. Pretty good trunk lid. It's pretty good trunk lid. So basically I had to order some gauges for my welder, so I'm waiting for that to come in. So basically when I get all of this tacked in and braced in, and then I'll finish cutting these quarters off right here. hold on. So I got all these measurements. I took all these measurements off of another 64 Impala convertible. So I took all these measurements and I took videos on my phone and stuff like that. So I got a lot of measurements. So like for instance, the height to here, from here to here is 14.5, and from here to here is 14.25. So that's why that's braced up like that. So that's why I put this trunk lid on, that way I can make sure all that lines up. So when I start getting it all tacked in and then braced in and stuff like that, and then we'll start welding it all solid. But yeah, that's it for today, man. I just want to let y'all know kind of what I got going on and what's going to be doing. Now, when I get everything set up and get everything ready, then I'll start moving real fast on it. So now I have my tripod and everything set up, so y'all can see how it is, man. Check you back later, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Y'all got any comments, or y'all see anything that I maybe not see, or got any suggestions, man, just let me know. Drop it in the comment. Appreciate you.